Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop step by step. If you've just installed foobar2000 and don't know where to start, this guide will help you learn the basics in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open foobar2000 from your desktop or Start menu. When the program opens, you'll see the main interface with an empty playlist if you're using it for the first time. To add music, click the File menu at the top and select Add Files if you want to import individual songs, or choose Add Folder to import an entire music folder. Browse to the location where your music is stored, select your files or folder and click Open. Your songs will now appear in the playlist. To play a song, simply double-click on it. You can use the Play, Pause, Stop, Next, and Previous buttons at the top of the window to control your music. You can also adjust the volume using the volume slider and drag the progress bar to skip to any part of a song. If you want to create a new playlist, click File, choose New Playlist, give it a name, and then add your favorite songs. To organize your music library, click Library and configure your music folders so foobar2000 can automatically manage your collection. You can also right-click on any song to rename it, edit its tags, remove it from the playlist, or view additional information. foobar2000 supports many popular audio formats, including MP3, FLAC, WAV, AAC, and OGG, making it a great choice for both casual listeners and audio enthusiasts. And that's it. You now know the basics of using foobar2000 on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.